Hi and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to transform your Tally data into powerful business insights using our Data Tally solution. If you have been using Tally for day-to-day accounting and inventory management, you are going to love how our solution takes your data to the next level, giving you clear, interactive dashboards, real-time analytics, and actionable reports, all without complex setups or technical expertise. Our solution is built on two core components. A data upload utility. This utility can be triggered on demand or set to run at scheduled intervals. Modern, flexible, and interactive BI dashboards with insights from our extensive experience in finance and accounting to deliver reports with a seamless and intuitive reporting experience. Let's begin by opening the sales register in Tally. This register gives us a month-wise consolidated value of all sales transactions. As we can see, between 1st and April 3, 2025, the total sales amount is 395,462 Indian rupees. On April 3, 2025, a sales transaction worth 48,144 Indian rupees was recorded for Global Delight Technologies Private Limited. Now let's switch to our online sales and revenue dashboard. We can see the total consolidated sales amounting to 395,462 Indian rupees. The 48,144 Indian rupees sale to Global Delight Technologies Private Limited is displayed in the report. Next, let's modify a transaction in Tally. For the party Shri Saraswati Vidya Mandir, we'll update the unit rate from 3,600 Indian rupees to 36,000 Indian rupees. This changes the total transaction value from 4,248 Indian rupees to 42,480 Indian rupees. We will use our data upload utility to push the modified entries from Tally to the database. Once the data is uploaded, refresh the sales and revenue dashboard. The updated transaction now appears on the dashboard. The new total cumulative sales value is 433,694 Indian rupees, matching with the updated data in Tally. In the same way, we sync other Tally transactions, ensuring that you have instant access to your business data, anytime, anywhere. Access Tally like never before. On your device, on your fingertips. Subscribe for our standard solution and get online reports within minutes. Or get customized solutions and reports as per your needs.